There's a place on this earth where every heartbeat feels lighter, where silence itself speaks the name of God. It's a place no camera can truly capture, no word can ever define. This is Mecca, the city that never sleeps in darkness because it was built with light. Thousands of years ago, when the desert was nothing but endless sand, one man walked alone under the burning sun. His name was Ibrahim, a friend of Allah. He wasn't searching for gold or glory. He was searching for truth. And when he found it, he built something not made of power, but made of prayer, the Kaaba. He stood with his son Ismail, raising walls that would one day touch the hearts of billions. And from that moment, something eternal began, the connection between heaven and earth. In that same desert, a mother ran between two hills, Safa and Marwa, searching for water for her child. Her name was Hajra, and Allah saw her tears, her courage, her faith. Then from beneath her baby's feet, the water of Zamzam burst forth, and the desert came to life. Centuries passed. Kingdoms rose and fell, but Mecca remained. And then came a man, Muhammad, peace be upon him, who carried no weapon, no army, only truth. He changed hearts not by force, but by faith. From the cave of Hira, the first word descended, Iqra, read, and that one word changed the destiny of the world. Today, scientists are amazed. They discovered that Mecca lies perfectly at the center of the earth. No random coincidence, a divine design. Even magnetic waves move in harmony around it, like the earth itself is making tawaf. Every year, millions come, rich and poor, black and white, speaking every language, yet they move as one body, one heart. Each step they take erases a sin. Each tear they shed writes forgiveness. I've seen people cry at the sight of the Kaaba, not because of fear, but because it feels like home. You don't need to be Arab or Muslim or even religious to feel that peace. The moment you see it, you just know. This is the center of everything. From space, astronauts say they can see a glow, a subtle light around Mecca that no camera explains. Maybe it's not physical light. Maybe it's the reflection of billions of prayers rising every second. And when the final day comes, the Kaaba will still stand, because it was never built just of stone. It was built of faith. So if your life feels empty, if your heart feels lost, remember, there is still a place where peace is not a dream. That place is Mecca. If you like this video, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel, Mecca TV Pakistan, and press the bell icon so you never miss our inspiring videos. Also, like and share this video to spread the message. Thank you for watching.